Hello guys, for today's video, we're going to do a Miniso haul. So firstly, I got this M&M's. It's full of the paper squishies. Okay, that I got it for 100 plus. Okay. So the second one that we've got is some figures of the Miniso. Just look at this. This one is Miss Rabbit that I got last time when me and my tita go at Miniso. And this thing, he doesn't have long ear. But my tabi also bought this from Shopee, that she bought it for me from a month ago. Okay. And this grizzly from the photo holder. I've got this from Miniso too, from the last Christmas. So the second one. So okay, next I've got this emoji full pack of 5 pieces. Look at this. Wow. Next one is this Blackpink paper squishy heart. I just made this from the blind bag. And next is the cloud squish. Wait. Let me fix Kiki. Huh. There we go. Look at him, he's just so pretty. Okay, this is Noob. I got this from the Roblox blind bag. I opened it a week ago. Bro, just look at this, it's so pretty. So for the next haul is some paper squishies. Today we bought Girl Me Giant Squishmallows that I bought it a while ago.
Yeah,
there we go. It can squish as well, but it's filled with plastic. Okay, so the next is Hello Kitty squishy. But it's kinda old, but I can still use it. Okay, ow. It can reduce your stress by making a paper squishy. Okay. Now on to the last Miniso haul. Here that I got 2 blind boxes. This one is a photo holder blind box. I opened this a while ago. So let's see what we can get. Last time we got this. Okay, so for today's vid, and today I want this. Let's open it here. Oh. Here. Ice Bear. So we've got 2. Grizzly and Ice Bear. On to the last one. Okay, we got this. Ice Bear again, not the duplicate. Guys, thank you for watching.